Hey, David here with DIY Mountain Bike. Today, getting my first step towards kind of the secret build. I'm slowly gathering stuff up to build a mountain bike. I don't know if it's going to be for my wife. I don't know if it's going to be for my daughter. Maybe it's going to be for me. But what I got is from my friends at Amazon, a stand. So literally, this is one of those box opening videos. You'll get to see what I get to see when it happens. Hope I don't need any tools because all I grabbed was a knife. So this is the Bikehand mountain bike stand. So I got this from Amazon. I think it was like 89 bucks, something pretty inexpensive. So good reviews, check it out. I'll have a link below to Amazon for it. But let's see how this thing works. I have been watching some videos to kind of get up to speed with this. Hopefully everything is in the box. We'll be able to dig into it. I'll get some close-ups as well. So first thing I would say, well packaged, right? Came in this box, delivered to the front porch, literally in it was one of those day and a half things on Amazon Prime. I don't know if many folks know, but I am we got my instructions down in here. Plastics engineer. We'll come back to this. And I can tell this is like a glass reinforced plastic. Pretty heavy duty. Let's see if you can get that. Oh, kicking around that plastic. So step one, when I was watching the videos, to put the legs down, unlock this guy and fold our legs down, and then lock it up. See the clamp there? Lock that in place. A little cam over, pretty nice. Step two, again, one-handed. I'm gonna guess maybe 10 pounds. Maybe I'll look it up in the stats here a little bit. But step two is trigger. Lock that in position, flip it around, and it's got another cam lock. Hold that guy. Pretty nice. All right, pretty. Step three, see this guy? We're going to raise that up to a comfortable height. I'm going to try to grab hold of my mountain bike here. So I'm locking that in position. I'm going to adjust that just a little bit. Tighten it up a little bit there. All right. Was jumping. That was my feet off the ground. So it is pretty stable. I'm 150. I'm kind of lightweight. All right. So let's look at this guy. You know what? Let's get the camera. Let's get it in a light, and we'll do some close-ups of stuff up here close. So hold on. All right. Again, the Bikehand. Some neat stuff. If you look at this lever here, you turn it and it unlocks those teeth. I don't know if you saw that happen. And then from there, you can rotate this thing 360. So we're going to set it about vertical there to grab hold of my bike tube, my seat tube. All right, again, lock that into position, and the teeth are engaged. Next thing you'll see is this, right? So it's got a cam lock, but I'm just guessing I'm gonna need to be probably about there for attaching my bike. So I'm gonna pause you just for a second and then move the tripod up close, okay? All right, so got the tripod. You know what? Let's get a little bit closer. See if we can get this here. So again, a cam lock, right? And then to adjust it for different areas here. So we're gonna strap it onto my seat post. And there we go. Let's back up, give you a look at how that is. Nice. What else? Let's take a look at the instructions real quick. Hey, and if you go to the website, I'm going to scan this in and give you this as a PDF on the DIY mountain bike repair stand. So go there, check that out, get this free download. But you know what I'm seeing is a tool tray. Oh, there it is in the box. Let me dig this guy out. So, tool tray. Pretty nice. Oh, it's got different, oh, it snaps together. Different sections, nuts, bolts, you know, some holes for hanging tools as well. Excellent. Let me see how this attaches. Right, so tray on the top. I actually just drop those in there. And then some little thumb screws kind of hold it on tight. That is the Bikehand mountain bike or bike repair stand. DIY mountain bike, please subscribe.